2026-27 అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ కి అడ్మిషన్స్ ని ఆహ్వానిస్తుంది పల్లవి ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్. నాక్ ఏ గ్రేడ్ గుర్తింపు, అత్యాధునిక మౌలిక సదుపాయాలు, 91% పైగా ప్లేస్మెంట్ సక్సెస్ రేట్ తో టాప్ ఎంఎన్సీ కంపెనీలో ఉద్యోగ అవకాశం. అడ్మిషన్ల కోసం 9247528134 9247528135 నంబర్స్ ని ఈ రోజే సంప్రదించండి.
హాయ్, వెల్కమ్ టు పల్లవి టీవీ. ప్రస్తుతం మనము అల్వాల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి పల్లవి మోడల్ స్కూల్లో ఉన్నాము. ఈరోజు పల్లవి మోడల్ స్కూల్లో ఫౌండర్స్ డే కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది. అందులోనూ ఇన్వెస్టిట్యూర్ సెరమనీ కూడా జరిగింది. సో స్కూల్ హెడ్ గర్ల్, హెడ్ బాయ్ అనే క్యాండిడేట్స్ని ఎంచుకోవడం జరిగింది. సో వారి యొక్క డ్యూటీస్ ఎలా చేస్తారు అనేది స్టూడెంట్స్ మాటల్లో అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్.
నమస్తే మ్యామ్.
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్.
ఫర్ ఎలెక్టింగ్ యాజ్ అ head girl. So, how you're feeling?
I'm elated. I'm very excited, but I also understand that it's a big responsibility.
Yeah.
So, I'm excited.
Yeah. How would you balance your leadership duties and also your academic year?
So, being a part of the student council is just an added responsibility to me. I understand that with all of this responsibility, I'll have to manage my time. So, I think I'll have to go and make a new timetable for myself. But at the same time, I'm always there for the students who need me. But my studies also come very high for me.
Yeah.
So balancing both of them on a teeter-totter is how I'm going to do it. So firstly, I think that whenever it comes to school activities, people think that it's a very big thing, a very big spotlight is on them. But in reality, it's just community. Our entire school is a big community. That's why we say namaste to each other, because we treat each other like a family. And so it's not as big of a deal as they think it is, and I just encourage them with my words, and small support can lead to big differences. And so I'd ask them to take part in something small and work their way from there.
Hey, hi. First of all, congratulations for electing as head boy.
Thank you.
What's the name?
Shrihari.
Srihari. Okay. Or the students who are refused to follow the school rules, how would you manage?
First of all, I would like to ask them why they aren't following it, and if they have a valid reason, I think I will talk with the heads about it. And if they don't have one, then I would definitely try my best to make them understand that wherever we go, there are always a set of rules that the society sets. So, and we will have to follow it. And being a rebel will always not help us.
One positive thing to change in your school.
Okay, one positive. Okay, I think it's definitely gonna be the sports. I think it's on par with other schools, but if we are able to produce more equipment, then I think we can produce results at the national level also.
So some students refuse to not follow the school rules or another activities, or so how can you handle?
Okay, first of all, I would, on an individual scale, I would like to inform them that always there has to be some sort of discipline in life, whether it be in home or at your school, wherever it is. So, if you are not following those rules, then why are you not following it? So, that would be a question, and I would try to make them understand that no matter what happens, people should listen to the higher authorities, as higher authorities aren't trying to make the students prisoners or something. It's for their betterment itself. So I would like to inform them about this and try to make them understand. And I would at the same time inform my higher authorities regarding this issue, so that it doesn't repeat in the school again.
How would you manage your academic year and also your leadership duties?
I think it's quite simple. I think it's one at a time policy. When I'm doing something, I focus only on that. I do not think of doing any other things. So I think that actually helps me a lot in doing such stuff.
Hi. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
What is the name?
Myself, I'm Jayant.
Yeah.
I graduated my 12th from here,
Yeah.
and I got 3052 rank in JEE Advanced, and now I'm about to join in IIT Madras.
Okay. It's a great thing.
Yeah.
And also tell me about your journey.
Yeah. So, after finishing my 10th, I was in first a dilemma of taking MPC or MBIPC, because I had interest in biology also. When I came here, Vidyadhari ma'am, we first met here. She gave us clarity that taking both would be hectic, and then we took MPC and we took a bold step coming here because most of them go to coaching centers. But me and my brother, we were like, we should study freely and CBSE schools are best. And that way, we found this was the best one here and we joined here. And that was a very great decision, I feel, because after coming here the teachers are science faculty and even principal ma'am were very supportive. She allowed me to study my way because during the last 3 months before the exams I studied at home only, so she was very supportive in that way. And even she allowed me to do NCC. I finished my NCC B certificate also, and even for going for other competitions, science fairs, even I did that also, and she allowed me to do. So that way I always think CBSE is the best this way, and yeah, they helped me a lot. You, yeah.
Which rank you got?
In advanced I got 3052. In mains I got 99.827 percentile and 2870 rank in mains. Yeah, and in EPSET, TG EPSET, I got 303 rank, and even I wrote BitSat. In that, I got 100% scholarship in top 500. They started this year, and I got in that also.
సార్ పాఠశాల కళాస్థాయి నుండి పిల్లల్లో ఈ యొక్క లీడర్షిప్ క్వాలిటీస్ పెంపొందించుకోవడం అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు సార్?
All school students, they have to have the leadership quality. While they're studying, they have to be class monitor, first step. Second, either sports captain, vice captain, or academic school captain or school vice captain. Like that, while studying, they should know how to lead the team. Then only they will become the leader. Leader means not only political leader. Leader means anywhere they should excel if they have that leader quality, and they should learn from while studying itself, because they should organize the meetings. They should organize the sporting meeting or cultural meeting or debates. Whenever they go anywhere, they can always be active and be like a team, and maintain the team, lead the team, convince others. Then only they'll become the leaders. Like sports also, when sports captain is there, he has to lead his team, and he has to, while playing, he has to give the instructions, proper directions. That way, all in our Pallavi schools or DPA schools, while studying, we will appoint different students in different fields where they have the knowledge and their interest, like cultural secretary, art secretary, or sports secretary, sports captain, then like that academic captain, academic secretary, class leader, deputy leader. Like that, we will give the most of the students opportunities when they can lead the team and then become the leader. That way, we'll always promote our students to lead the give the positions, and then they will automatically learn, and some people become the real leaders, either maybe political or sports or maybe academically or any field they are interested. That's why in their lifetime, if they go have a factory, their own factory, they will be, if the leadership quality is there, then they'll have the how to talk to the people, how to make the team work, then they'll be successful. Like that, we make the students as leaders.
So first of all, welcome to Pallavi Model School, Alwal.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Very kind of the management and your school to have invited me over as a chief guest on this Founders Day, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Few words for the students for the disciplinary activities. How to be students be self motivated, self respect, and also self discipline.
Ma'am, actually, I'll cover it one by one. What is important today, as I was speaking to children, they need to have overall development. For having that overall development, the school gives you a platform, but there is, like you rightly said, there is a need to have discipline to work hard. there is a need to prepare hard. So you can prepare, work hard, and then look into picking up something which can enable them to get domain expertise in the field that they want to. When you say that you need to get domain expertise, just by curriculum of the school they can't create this. So if somebody says no, I want to learn about celestial objects, so he'll have to have that discipline in researching about celestial objects. I want to become, somebody says, no, no, I want to become an astronaut. So he has to gather that knowledge, which is not just there in the curriculum, but it is there in the domain today. It's the world of internet, it's the world of information. So he starts cultivating his thoughts through a discipline program, wherein he starts nurturing himself towards getting that domain expertise. Discipline is also required for time management. While he is doing it, he has to focus on his studies. He has to focus on his domain expertise that he wants to create. Somebody wants to do something in AI, he'll say, no, no, I want to code. Curriculum may not be there, so he starts learning that. Somebody says, no, no, I want to do sports. So he can't just do sports and expect to excel. So he'll have to do his studies, find out that time through discipline, to put in time for those extracurricular, that be it sports, music, or current affairs. So discipline is important, and it can only come through preparation and hard work. And sincerity in any case is required.
So first of all, welcome to Pallavi Model School, Alwal sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So beyond your experience, can you tell me a few words for the students, for your motivational speech for the students? By conducting these adventure programs, how they useful for them?
See, I had a organization called Speak Making.
Yeah.
This is a 49-year-old organization founded by one gentleman called Dr. Kiran Seth.
Okay.
He's a professor in operations research. He did his PhD in US, and somewhere in during his stay in US, he realized that we Indians are missing out on our culture.
Okay.
So he left his job where he was working in Bell Laboratories and came to India, joined IIT as a professor, was teaching also in IIT, and parallelly started inviting artists of fame like Hari Prasad Chaurasia, Amjad Ali Khan, those kind, to IIT Delhi, and forced the students to listen to them. He believed that unless these students get an exposure to the artists, our students, we are depriving them of the deep rooted knowledge, culture of Indian music or Indian dance or folk dance or art, even including Varli art or Madhubani art or all these things. He says we must take it to the students because today parents can't take. The schools are not able to. So let us do this for the students. And that's how the movement started. And today it's a 49-year-old organization. All of us are volunteers. We all do voluntary work and then get the best of the artists. We don't pick up anybody and then say go and play Veena or go and play sitar. No, the artists are all listed in the Ministry of Culture as a Padma Bhushan or Sangeet Natak Academy or All India Radio. They have type A, B, like that. So they are all graded artists are brought to the school because when they are graded, they must have had about 25-30 years of experience playing. Say Veena, for example, he must have played for 25 years to reach the stage. So unless a guru of that eminence comes and performs a student, talks to the students, encourages the student, it will not have an impact. So Speakmaker gets only artists of eminence. And we feel out of say 100 children who are watching the program for 1 hour, even if one child gets inspired
Yes.
and continues learning on his own, the art survives. Today we have Ghatam artists, Mridangam artists. They are not being called. They all 20-25 years they have worked to reach the stage. Unless we Indians don't encourage our own artists, who will do it? So the main motto of this is Speak Make is to get the artists, music, dance, Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam, Kathak, any of these dance form, folk art, painting, for example, I don't know if you are aware, there is a place called Cherial near Hyderabad, about 40, 60 kilometers. There is something called a Cherial art. If you go to Rashtrapati Nilayam, Secunderabad, the tunnel which connects the dining room to the kitchen, they made a tunnel. The whole thing is painted with Cherial art. Cherial painting is a rare form of painting, not known to many, but there are 2-3 families in Cherial village who are doing this, like the Cherial masks. Now, they're willing to teach, but there are no children to learn. So we say, okay, we'll get you to the school. Let children learn what this art form is. Like a Cherial mask. That mask is made out of your chintapandu seeds, tamarind seeds, and sawdust. They mix in water. It becomes like a stone. And they have molds. They put that into that and create a mask out of it. And on that they do the painting. These are all rare forms of painting. And unless we encourage them, firstly, the artist, it's a remuneration for them. For their survival, we need to get them. Secondly, a child who's interested in painting may take up this. Everybody need not be a doctor or engineer. Somebody has to also take this art. And more importantly of all this is, when you concentrate on a particular art, you are focusing on that. Your concentration improves. If you have because you undisturbed attention you give, that concentration is what is lacking in today's children. People are busy in reels, shorts, attention span is limited. So whatever they study for half an hour, that 15 minutes he's seeing his mobile. So when you focus on an art, music or dance or something, you are distracted from everything. The brain also develops the power of concentration. And a child who has some hobby like this, develops on this, will be able to perform better in academics, better in understanding. His comprehension of things will be very fast. Because his mind is conditioned to concentrate, which otherwise would not. So that's our role aim to bring, and we are doing our level best to get them to schools. We charge a very nominal fee, and no money is taken. Best entire money what we collect is given to the artist, and everybody. It's all organized. If he is a Padma Bhushan, 50,000. If he is a Padma Shri, there is all rates are fixed. So we tell the school, you pay this and the transport fare. We will facilitate and get you. But as elders, as responsible citizens, we are failing in our duty if we don't expose the children to this. Our idea is to expose. After that, how a child takes over is his luck.
హాయ్ మ్యామ్,
నమస్తే.
ఈరోజు ఫౌండర్స్ డే అండ్
Correct.
ఆల్సో ఇన్వెస్టర్స్ డే కూడా. సో ఎలా చాలా గ్రాండ్గా సెలబ్రేట్ చేశారు.
Correct.
Yeah, అసలు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు ఇంత గ్రాండ్ సెలబ్రేషన్.
Right. Today, on the occasion of 17th Founders Day, we are very happy because Chairman Sir has come and he blessed the children. He was part of the investor ceremony. Along with him, Brigadier Sanjay Mohanty, VSM, and Brigadier CP Sriram, they were part of this program. And on this occasion today, in fact, apart from all these things, God also has helped us because the environment today, it did not rain. We are very happy and the entire program went off so smoothly.
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Thank you
నెక్స్ట్
so-
అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్.
Yes, thank you so much. This Founders Day, we have taken the theme Shram Se Siddhi. Hard work leads to success. Smartly, all our children, how they are able to work under the guidance, mentorship of our teachers, and which is bringing laurels to Pallavi Model School Alwal. This is all possible because management has given us the freedom to take care of the children, to look into all minor aspects, and where parents are also supporting us. Thank you.